Finding the best, cheapest food dehydrator can feel tricky when every box promises more than it gives. But I've tested enough models in real US kitchens to know what truly works. The cheapest food dehydrator that makes sense is the one that dries fruit, jerky, and herbs well without driving up your power bill or wasting counter space. I've used budget units for apple chips, dog treats, and trail snacks, and some honestly surprised me with how steady they ran. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. OSTBA Food Dehydrator. The OSTBA Food Dehydrator feels easy and calm to use in my kitchen. I dry apples, herbs, and dog treats with no stress. The knob temp control lets me set the heat in a simple way, so I do not have to guess. The clear view lid helps me watch food dry without lifting the cover, which keeps the heat steady. The 240W heat feels gentle but steady. Jerky comes out chewy. Fruit stays sweet. The trays stack well, so it saves space in a small home. Cleanup feels easy since the trays go in the dishwasher. For many homes, OSTBA Food Dehydrator can feel like a best, cheap food dehydrator that still gives clean, tasty snacks. One small downside is speed. It dries a bit slow, but the results are still good. Number 4. Commercial Chef Food Dehydrator. The Commercial Chef Food Dehydrator feels made for small kitchens and tight budgets. I dry apples and herbs with ease, and the wide heat range helps me set the right temp for jerky or fruit. The BPA-free trays feel safe for snacks and dog treats. The 280W heat is gentle and steady, so flavors stay true. It runs quiet, which helps at night. The size fits my shelf with no fuss. For many US homes, the Commercial Chef Food Dehydrator can feel like a best, cheap food dehydrator that still gives clean, tasty snacks. One small downside is speed. It dries a bit slow, but the results are still good. Number 3. COSORI Food Dehydrator Machine. The COSORI Food Dehydrator Machine feels made for busy homes that want fast, clean snacks. I dry apples, jerky, and dog treats, and the quiet run mode keeps things calm at night. I also love the Max Heat 165F because beef jerky comes out safe and firm with no guesswork. The 350W heat moves air well, so trays dry even with no tray swap. The digital panel is simple, and the 48H timer lets me set it and rest. For many families, the COSORI Food Dehydrator Machine can feel like a best budget food dehydrator with strong control at a fair price. One small downside is the plastic body. It feels light, not heavy, but it still works great. Number 2. Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine. The Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine fits my small kitchen so well and feels calm to use each day. I dry apples, beef jerky, and dog treats, and the stackable trays let me raise space for thick cuts with no mess. I also love the 48H digital timer because I can set it and walk away with peace of mind. The heat feels gentle yet steady even at low power, so that helps keep fruit sweet and herbs bright. For many US homes, the Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine also feels like a best budget food dehydrator because it gives steady stainless steel trays and strong control at a fair price. One small downside is speed. It dries slower than big 600W units. Still, the Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine is cozy, safe, and easy for daily home drying. Number 1. Elite Gourmet EFD 319 Food Dehydrator. The Elite Gourmet EFD 319 Food Dehydrator feels calm and simple in daily use. I use the Elite Gourmet EFD 319 Food Dehydrator for apples, mango slices, and dog treats, and the adjustable temp makes it easy to dry each food the right way. I like how I can slow it down for herbs or raise the heat for jerky. The clear view trays also help a lot because I can watch the food dry without opening the lid. For many U.S. homes, the Elite Gourmet EFD 319 food dehydrator feels like a best affordable food dehydrator because it gives steady heat without a high price. Fruit comes out sweet and soft. Jerky stays chewy, not hard. One small downside is the plastic body. It feels light. Still, for the price, the Elite Gourmet EFD 319 food dehydrator is a cozy and easy way to make healthy snacks at home. Final verdict. When it comes to finding the best food dehydrator without spending too much, I personally recommend the Elite Gourmet EFD 319 food dehydrator as the top pick. It gives steady, even drying, simple controls, and a clear view of your snacks as they dry. It feels reliable in real kitchens and works well for fruit, herbs, jerky, and dog treats. For a specific need, the Magic Mill food dehydrator is a smart, budget-friendly choice. It still handles a variety of foods and makes snacks with gentle heat, especially if you want simple knob controls and easy cleanup. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the food dehydrator that fits your style and need best.